Hi everyone, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. As you can probably hear, I'm losing my voice after talking to everyone this weekend. So myself and colleagues from the office were kind of blown away by the variety of ideas that the people that were doing our challenge had come up with for the iBeacons. So there's social media apps. There was a great one about crowd-controlled art, which I thought was very cool idea. We had a lot of difficulty in picking the winners. It was very close. It came down to two teams. In second place, we thought Team Alpha had a great solution and a very slick presentation. Lots of good use of technology. So well done, guys. And if you come and speak to me afterwards, I'll make sure you get an additional prize, because we were very impressed with what you did this weekend. So well done. But the winners for us were We Have Cake. So if you can come out and collect your vouchers, well done, guys.
So our project was called Spark, and we tried to make a social network and a real-time social network. What does that mean? That it retrieves real data live about people, and is a social network to enable people to get in touch with people. It's not about scrolling down through your notification feeds. How do we do that? We use beacons. Our idea was to dispatch beacons all around the university, so we know where the people were, and we could track not only their position, but also their route. So let's say from Voidor to the chemistry building to the main building. We can elaborate this data to not only tell us you have a friend nearby, just go and say hi, but also there's these people that you may not know, but you are doing the same route every day. So just go on and chat with him, make new friends. How we did this? An Android smartphone connects with the beacon, set its MAC address, and we know exactly where it is, and we have a backend software online that does everything else. What's the future? We thought about using that inside the campus, but we can easily expand to the whole city and integrate with car sharing services, or even including specialized offers, such as if you meet new people, you can have 2-for-1 pizzas or something like that. So he will speak more about the technical part of our project.
Yeah, so we used Python in the back end to communicate with oops, I think I just switched the lights off, sorry. Yeah, so we used Python to communicate with a MySQL server, and we can take a look at what's actually going on there here with some scripts. So at the top left, you can see a series of users. You can sign up using our website once we fix the website. So it stores a bit of data like a password hash, a username, an email address, and your last known location, which is just the MAC address of the last beacon you were near. There's in the top right, you can also see the series of points where you were. So every time you pass a beacon, that's stored, and we can then use that to calculate the route, which is used later. The bottom left one is the friends table, and we can generate friends using this script here, but which it uses what's it called? Sorry, sleep deprivation.
It checks
the longest
strings,
yeah,
and their common routes, because the routes are really important or crucial in our apps.
Yeah. So it takes the route for a user, and since we know which users went to which locations, we can parse that into a string, and then we find the longest common substring between the two, and we use that as a way of determining how similar they are between two strings. So that's probably quite boring, but we quite liked it, and it was quite fun to implement. So when I press this button, hopefully in the friends box, me and Stefano will become friends. Yes. So. And now it's not quite finished, and we're almost done, I promise, but we can also show, since me and Stefano finished up in the same place, which you can see in the top left, it's 72 FA. Hopefully our algorithm will tell me and Stefano to meet up. Yeah. So yeah, that's it at the back end. But
So yeah, that's
Yeah.
it. Basically, we wanted just to step one furthermore for the typical social network thing. It's just about meeting people, not just watching that phone. Any questions?
2. Tell everybody which year you were in.
First year.
yeah,
Okay?
2 of us are in first year, second year.
You took the tours of the paths that people were following.
Yeah.
And you turned them into strings. What algorithm did you use to compare strings?
Um,
Was it the Nutanix?
no, we found SourceForge. No, not SourceForge. Stack Overflow thread, which had an appropriate algorithm.
So you knew which problem it was and you went and found an algorithm.
Yeah.
That's really good stuff. Well done.
Thank you.